Alright guys, we got another one. 2003 Mercury Marauder. This one is supercharged. She has a little under 66,000 miles. She can use a respray, but she has great potential. Frame and floor pans are solid, lower doors are solid, and of course she has the supercharged 4.6 liter V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic. If she was mine, I'd get the Mako Special and drive her every day. These late models are meant to be driven. And she has some work done. She's been dyno tested. It's a folder in the trunk with all the sorts of receipts and all sorts of good information. She made 380 to the wheels with 360 foot-pounds of torque. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Let's check out the jambs in the lower doors. Deck lid. Trunk nice and clean. And that's the folder with all the receipts and the dyno sheets in it. I would show you, but it's got somebody's personal information on it. Interior's in good condition. Driver's seat has one minor tear right there. Console with floor shifter. Headliner good. Check out the dash. As y'all can see, the mileage reads a little under 66,000. Upper dash. Lower. Back seat nice and clean also. Package tray. Engine bay is nice and clean. She has the supercharged 4.6 liter V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic. And she got all the modern comforts. Let's start her up. Go and visit rollermuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. We have financing available. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. And as y'all can see, she's running nice and strong. Don't miss out on this one. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one.